Welcome to another video of Basic Cubing. So, this is the video you've all been waiting for. So this is the video on how to solve the Rubik, the 3x3 Rubik's Cube using the CFOP method. So, CFOP stands for cross, and the C stands for cross, the F stands for F2L, O stands for OL, and P stands for PL. So, in this video, we're gonna talk about the cross. So, when you think of the cross, you might think it's the X on the bottom layer. That's exactly the same thing. And then in the beginning method, I showed you that when you start the cross, you start making a shape like this. Then you match up these pieces with its orienting center and then turning down. But in this method, we don't make this shape. We just make the cross immediately. So, yeah. So first, we can you can make the cross in many different ways, and there are different ways you can put in pieces. You can do the substituting method, you can do all sorts of methods. So now we turn this like this because these two pieces are in the right spot, but we find that the orange white piece is right here and needs to go right here. So we can put this right here, but you say, but we're breaking up the cross, but that's okay, because then we can restore the cross at the end of the end. So then we do this, then we turn this back to its original state, and then 75% of the cross is complete. So then you can move this over, then this can be put down. You can put this right here, and then move this back like that. Okay? So you could do it this way if you like, if it's a lot simpler. But it's a lot faster doing this way than this way. And then let's try a different one. Okay, so this. First, you shouldn't look at the core pieces. Just memorize the color scheme. So blue is across from green, red is across from orange, and then you have to memorize what color, memorizing what color, which piece of these go where, and what order they go in. So you could do right here, if you do orange, then blue must be on its right, and then green must be on its left. That is essential to solving the cross. So you don't need to worry about the colors, though. Now you could. So first you might think we could just turn this down, but no. We could do that, and we could do that though, but you could turn this down, since this is the easiest to turn down. Then you can move this back here, move this down, move this piece to match this, like that, and then move this down, and then move this down. And then you have the cross. Let me show you another example. Okay, so this time we can find pieces that are opposite to each other. So then orange is opposite of red, and then we can do that. So one tip: once you get faster making the cross, you don't make the cross with the cross facing up. Make it facing down, because once you get faster, this flip will affect your speed. So then you can move this right here, move this like this, move this over like that, and now since red is opposite of orange, they can go in together like that. And then we can move this over here, and this piece over here, and then we can put this in just like this. Okay? So now once you don't have to worry about the color scheme. So let's see. So this piece, you can go into here when you turn right here, when you turn this, and then you turn this down like that. And you don't have to worry about these two making a return here, because it doesn't really matter, and you can restore the cross later. So now we can turn this right here, then we can turn this, the front side, 180 degrees, and then 75% of the cross. It's done. And then we can turn this up here, turn this back to its original position, so these pieces are finished. So then you can insert this piece like this. Okay? So then I'm just gonna take a preview so you know what's gonna happen in the next video. So the next video we're going to talk about the F2L pairs. So now we see that we look for these pieces like this. So pieces that would normally go in these place spots, and the corners that would be right here. Normally in the beginner's method, we would insert them one by one, but now we can insert it at the same time. Okay, so we can insert it like that. We see that and that. We move that out of place. And then if you can't keep up, it's okay, because I will explain everything in the next video. And then we can move this in here. This piece can be moved right here, and then move away, and then this can be inserted like that. And then that can go there, and then you can do this, and then the first layer and second layer are completed. And then after you learn F2L, you'll learn how to solve the yellow stickers. The yellow stickers has a lot of algorithms, and I'll cover the other algorithms in a different video. But in the video where I show you how to do OLL and PLL, you'll learn how to do beginner OLL and beginner PLL. Okay? So in this case, in the beginner's method, you learn to do this. But you don't do that in this solve. Instead, you move 2 layers up, and then you do that algorithm right here. Then we have this case, and then with a few algorithms, you can solve this layer. And then you can use 2 algorithms or 1 to solve the last layer. So in this case, you can use 1, and then it solves the cube. I'll go over it in details in the other videos, but this is but this is it. In this video, I'll just be showing you the cross. Okay, so just a little heads up, and then I hope this video has helped you. And before I solve the cross with the method I showed you today, you guys should hit the subscribe button, leave a like down below, and ring the bell. Okay? So, ready, set, go. So now I've solved the cross. That took a few seconds. The cross could be made in around 8 moves. So, you might think that's impossible, but fast speed cubers like Felix, Matt's Volk, and other fast speed cubers can make it in around 8 moves. So, hope this video has been helpful, and thank you for watching.